The serene landscapes of the Mediterranean region don't just captivate the senses with azure waves and sun-dappled olive groves. Delve deeper, and one finds a culinary tapestry rich in flavor, history, and health. Unraveling the Mediterranean food tapestry, one wonders, where exactly do nuts and seeds stand amidst the plethora of delights? As you journey with us through this aromatic voyage, delving into the nutritional panorama reveals an intricate dance of essential fats, fibers, and micronutrients, many of which hail from the humble nut and seed. The historical context: nuts and seeds in ancient Mediterranean cultures. The Mediterranean basin, with its cradle of ancient civilizations, has long held bite-sized powerhouses like nuts and seeds in high esteem. It wasn't just their tantalizing crunch or their versatility in culinary applications. These gems were tokens of prosperity, fertility, and even divinity. Trade routes crisscrossed this region, and with them spread tales, traditions, and a penchant for nut and seed consumption. It wasn't merely trade in goods, but an exchange of culinary artistry. Almonds, the Mediterranean's crunchy delight. Almonds, with their woody exterior and buttery flesh, hold a special place in Mediterranean kitchens. Featured in everything from snacks to desserts, think of almond-studded baklavas or aromatic marzipan, their culinary appeal is undeniable. But beyond their taste, the nutritional benefits they bring to the plate resonate deeply with the Mediterranean ethos, a balance of taste and health, a confluence where indulgence meets well-being. Olives and olive oil, the heart of Mediterranean eating. To speak of the Mediterranean and not mention olives would be gastronomic heresy. Olives, brined, stuffed, or even as a simple tapenade, present a flavor profile as diverse as the region itself. But beyond their tangible form, they metamorphose into the liquid gold we know as olive oil. This oil doesn't just dress salads but brings to life the very multifaceted essence of Mediterranean meals: drizzling, frying, and even baking. Walnuts, the brainy addition to the Mediterranean plate. Wrinkled in appearance, yet robust in nutrition, walnuts have an almost mystic allure. Historically symbolic of intelligence due to their cerebral appearance, their nutritional might surpasses mere folklore. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they're not just brain food but heart-healthy too. Integrating walnuts into meals, whether sprinkled over salads or ground into sauces, embodies the Mediterranean penchant for combining the delectable with the beneficial. Seeds of the Mediterranean, more than just toppings. Beyond the nuts, the Mediterranean region offers a treasure trove of seeds. Flax seeds, sesame, and sunflower seeds might be minuscule but pack a potent nutritional punch. Whether they're sprinkled atop flatbreads, blended into tahini, or even mixed into confections, these seeds are not mere garnishes but star ingredients. They exemplify the Mediterranean knack of weaving nutritional opulence into everyday meals. Pine nuts, the luxurious touch in Mediterranean cooking. Once a foraged treasure, pine nuts have transcended time, becoming a luxurious touch in modern Mediterranean cuisine. Their buttery flavor accentuates salads, pastas, and pestos. Yet, beyond their culinary value lies a gamut of health benefits, making them not just a delight for the palate but also a boon for the body. Nut and seed oils, beyond olive oil. While olive oil reigns supreme, the Mediterranean pantry houses other precious oils. Walnut oil, with its nutty aroma, or sesame oil, with its toasted richness, bring unique flavors and nutritional profiles to dishes. In Mediterranean kitchens, these oils aren't just ingredients. They're characters in a culinary narrative where flavor harmoniously waltzes with health. Nutritional synergy: how nuts and seeds complement other Mediterranean foods. Mediterranean meals are a canvas, and each ingredient, a brushstroke. The interaction of nuts and seeds with the bright tang of citrus, the umami of roasted vegetables, or the succulence of grilled proteins creates art on a plate. They don't just add crunch but elevate the nutritional ensemble, crafting meals that are as wholesome as they are savory. Moderation: the key to Mediterranean consumption. In the heart of the Mediterranean philosophy lies balance. Understanding portion sizes ensures that one reaps the benefits without the pitfalls of overindulgence. It's a dance of moderation, where variety paints a mosaic of flavors, textures, and nutrients. Conclusion: embracing the nutty affair of the Mediterranean lifestyle. As we disembark from this culinary odyssey, it becomes evident that nuts and seeds aren't mere footnotes in the Mediterranean tale. As one contemplates the Mediterranean horizon, shimmering under the golden sun, it's hard not to envision a future where nuts and seeds continue to play their pivotal role, nourishing the body, satiating the soul, and ensuring the radiant glow of well-being continues to illuminate the Mediterranean shores.